Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, it is all about 7 hidden Android tricks. But before that, we will walk you through a comprehensive guide on 7 hidden Android tricks. Here's what we will cover. Black screen, split screen, focus mode, speeding up phone feature, secret Easter egg, Muviz edge, exposing data killers. So let us get started. Number 1. Black screen. This is designed to turn your device screen black while keeping it active. This can be useful for various purposes such as saving battery life when reading or watching videos, preventing screen burn-in, or maintaining privacy by obscuring content. At number 2. Split screen. Use 2 apps at once by enabling split screen mode. Let us choose 2 apps and then click the Recent Apps button and then long press the button and click this. This time, click the app that you want to have also. Here you go. You can now use 2 apps at the same time. At number 3. Focus mode. Focus mode is a feature that helps users minimize distractions. Go to Settings, Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. Focus mode. Select the apps to pause and tap Turn on Now to activate it. Number 4. Speed up feature. To speed up your phone using developer options, first, enable it by going to Settings, About Phone, and tapping MIUI version several times until you see a confirmation message. Then access developer options under Settings, Additional Settings, Developer Options. Here, set the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale to 0.5 times, or turn them off to reduce animation delays and improve responsiveness. At number 5. Secret Easter egg. Go to Settings, click About Phone, tap the Android version multiple times until you can see the clock. I can just roll that or place it on a time that I want. It doesn't have any functional purpose but adds a bit of creativity to the user experience. At number 6. Muviz edge. Muviz edge is an app that displays a visual music spectrum along the edges of your screen while you listen to music. To use it, download and open the app. You can customize the design, colors, and placement of the visualizer to suit your preferences. And number 7. Exposing data killers. In order for you to know which apps you need to turn off in order for your data to be saved, go to Settings, search Data Usage. Click that, and these are some apps that you need to turn off. Let us say Shopee. In order for this app not to use too much data, I will turn off these 2 SIMs mobile data and also the background data. And there you have it. Mastering these 7 hidden Android tricks: black screen, split screen, focus mode, speeding up phone feature, secret Easter egg, Muviz edge, and exposing data killers can significantly enhance your smartphone experience. By utilizing these features, you can improve multitasking, boost performance, enjoy creative personalization, and manage your device more effectively. Exploring these tricks not only helps you make the most of your Android device, but also allows you to discover its full potential. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe out there. Bye for now.